Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on starting on the application of threads. Here we go to settings. Here in this first page of settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about the application of threads and you will click here in this page. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will go to clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone